Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to change the language in the EA app on your PC. Let's get started. First open the EA app on your PC and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you're on your home page, look at the top left corner of the app. You will see the three lines. Click on it. From the menu, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can change different options for the EA app. On the left hand side of the window, click on Application. Here you will see a section called Language. Click the drop down menu next to the language and you will see a list of all the languages available. Pick the one you want. For example, English, Spanish, French or whichever you prefer. After choosing your language, the EA app may ask you to restart so the changes can make effect. Simply close and reopen the EA app and now everything should appear in the language you select. And that's it. Just open the EA app, go to the menu, click Settings, choose Application, pick your language and restart. It's super simple. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.